Yes, sir, Manando, you could record.
Okay. Yo, guys, I have to introduce myself again. As you all know me, it's me, Manando the Good, guys. So we are looking at DXY. So on DXY, guys, I prefer looking at from the weekly. And guys, if you have a question, you can ask. Nah, don't be scared. So okay, on the weekly we have the lowest low, and now we need to have the what? We have the highest height. After the lowest low and highest height, I just have to highlight important levels, because the market moves in important levels. We have that level. So now again, guys, we're gonna have these as the lowest level. Those are the points, you understand, guys? So those are the factors on how our price was moving. So from the weekly, guys, allow me to go to the daily. Okay, so on the daily, guys, you just have to fix your trend lines. Okay, yeah, your horizontal ray is in order. So now we're having a structure like this, guys. So whenever I have a structure like this, I believe a lot can happen. If we were to check, guys, again on the daily time frame, we have the highest height, which is this one. So this was acting as a what? This was acting as a double top. But then the chances of this structure failing are there. Again, we have this low here. It's not something. So now, guys, after the daily, I'll have to go to the 4-hour. So when we're in the 4-hour, guys, still, there isn't that much of movement, there isn't that much of anything that can be done. So I'll go to the 3 hours. Even on the 3 hours, guys, you could see, I don't like faking positions which are not even there. You could see on this one that it's not even really going your way. Like there is no direction at all. So, and I'm surprised if the DXY doesn't have direction, what will happen to the other pairs? So, okay, let's just try to break it down here on the 3-hour. You could see that, okay, the reason price went down, there was a nice of like touches there. So now on the lower lows, guys, we are having what? We are having, na record the video, nata. Na record the video, nata. So, okay, guys, you could see that we have these things here on the 3-hour. Then I'll go to the 1 hour. Okay, so when we're in the 1 hour, guys, as I always say, price tends to be interesting, Like if you understand how price moves, you could see we had an impulse and we had a correction, guys. So now I start seeing things, that I couldn't see. So we had this structure here. We had an impulse going down. We had an impulse correction. Now I feel like we're going back to the same what? We're going back to the same level where we were. I feel like price has to push till that level to the higher heights. On the lower low, we're already sorted because if you can check, we have these. So I feel like price is about to do what it did to the previous levels. You see, from there going down, I feel like we have to expect something like these prices to push to the higher heights. So when price pushes, guys, to that level, yeah, that's when we're going to utilize, understand, that's how we're going to make a bag out of it, because I feel like we need to have this impulse here going down, so price has to do what? Price has to reach that level. So guys, if you're looking at DXY, just look for what? Look for buys. But then where you buying till? You just buy till that level. So guys, this is how it is. I'm on DXY. I'll be done on the 1 hour. So if there's anyone who has a question based on this, you can raise your question. I'm listening. Is there anyone who has a question? Okay, guys.
We're good, Manando.
Yeah, okay, you're so far so good. Yeah, record. Okay. So no one has a question on DXY, right?
Yeah, I do.
You do have a question.
All right, so so the whole price is in an uptrend, but so right now it hit a double bottom.
We can't say we're on an uptrend because you could see the market is in bearish formation, you see. So we are more into bearish than bullish. When it's an uptrend, the market has to be bullish. But then in this situation, we're just going for what? For the third touches around here. First touch, second touch, third touch. Price is just repeating what it did. You see this level here. So the same thing that happened there is the same thing that's happening right now. So this is not an uptrend.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. So are we moving to the next one?
Yes, we can go.
What are we moving
Yeah,
to?
please go to the next one. This is very clear.
Which one do we move to?
Let's try out Euro USD.
Okay, Euro USD. But then, guys, how did you enjoy your Christmas day with family and everything? Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was. It was.
Yeah, man. Like nothing beats the time that you spend with family. You know.
That's true.
Next year, just wish for good things to happen. You know, because like next year you have to. It has to be your breakthrough year. Okay, let me analyze back to business. You know. So now we're looking at Euro USD, right? So on Euro USD, there's no miracle, guys. There's no miracle strategy. I just know the price. You know, this is the lowest low that we have, and then now we need the what? We need the highest height. This is the highest height that I see of the structure. And then now I have these low here, guys. But then you understand, I just put lows where I felt like it had an impact. Here there's a thing called break of structure, you know. So when I have break of structure, then it means my direction or everything that I was anticipating is about to change, because there was a break of structure. But then a lot of you guys I know here, you were expecting price to give you a head and shoulder pattern, you understand? Like price won't listen to you. So from the weekly, we're gonna go to the daily. As I'm going to the daily, we start seeing how price was moving. You understand, guys? Price was moving in the format of impulse correction. So if you don't understand, guys, you should just tell me that you don't understand. You see, so here's what this is the correction that we're having. Like the market was just moving in the simplest way, just impulse correction, you know. So those are the kind of things that you just need to master when it comes to this thing. So this one, I wouldn't advise my little sister to trade it because it wasn't that straightforward. But there was a lot of opportunities that I could have, like a wanted experience, you understand, guys? So wanted experience plays a huge role in this trading thing. Understand? So now if we can check, we had this impulse and we had another correction, which was this, you know. So this is how price moves, you understand, guys? We have impulse, we have correction, impulse, correction. You see how it is. So now, guys, I feel like we have formed the same thing. You understand? Kuseko, can you please mute your mic? Like your echo is disturbing us. Anyways, we have something like this again. I think, guys, do you really understand how this structure is moving? Like the structure, how it moves, you see? So now it's just a matter of, we're still on the daily, we have to go to the 4 hours. So when I'm in the 4 hour, remember, I always want to fix my trend line, guys. You know, I always want to fix my trend lines. That's the reason why people don't draw them in a good way. So now I'm here. You know, so as I'm about to fix my trend line, I just have to get my I have to get my low. These tend to be my low, you understand? So those are my heights. So okay, we have a structure like this. It's a confusing one, but then like when you know, you understand, guys. When you know. So now we're in this manner here. So now I have to go from the 4 hour to the 3 hour. Guys, don't be surprised. I love to put the 3 hour in my trading plan. I feel like I love that time frame. You understand? So here's it again, guys. We have these lower lows. I just believe price will come. You understand? Because price didn't fail certain levels. So from there now we go to the what? We go to the 1 hour. So as I'm in the 1 hour, guys, we could see that price, this thing, it has to just come down. No B or no what, we just have to come down. Because if we were to check using these only, this was a double top, you know. So even if price was to go up, price will hit that level, then we go up. So guys, your entry level on this one, it'll be, I'll give you an entry level on this one. Okay. Entry level, short position here. Entry level should be somewhere around that level. Take profit level should be somewhere around there. You understand, guys? So trading with targets is the greatest thing that you can ever do as an upcoming or as a pro trader. So from here, I'm just gonna go to the 4 hour again. So this is how it is. So did everyone understand here, or maybe you still need the breakdown on it?
Oh, it was clear. Thanks, Manan.
It was clear.
Manando,
Yeah.
sorry to bother you again. My question is only one. I just want to understand your exit, your take profit. Why did you choose where you choose the take profit currently?
Taking take profits is different, understand? I feel like it's all in the mind. Like I know my targets when I'm trading. You understand? I know my target. I know where to take profits. I know where to, you understand? Like I always know. I use the past to predict. Like just like here, this is the nearest low. So I'll be just taking profit based on what it is.
Yeah, 90% true.
Yeah.
Okay, no, thank you very much, Manando. Thanks.
So what are we moving to right now? I think this is the third one, the one we're going to.
Euro GBP. Euro GBP.
Euro. Is this the third one, right?
Well, that's the second. This is the second.
Nah, I think it's the third
It was
one. Check.
DX,
You see this setup? I
DXY.
had it last week. You see how it played out, guys? Not playing games. You see it played out my way. Nah.
Very nice.
This
Very nice.
is the third one, guys. We started with.
I think it's a second.
It's the second one. Yeah, it means my
We
mindset.
started with DXY, then went to Euro USD.
Yeah, DXY Euro USD. This one is the third one. Yeah, now I remember. We're on the third one. It's okay, guys. I'm waiting for it to load. Let my laptop load so it can. I feel like today we're just gonna do 5, right? Today we do 5. Gents. Yeah, today we do 5. Can the person who has dogs mute their mics? Okay, so now guys, we have this level as our important level, and we have the highest height as our important level. So when prices like these, guys, now we could see that if we were to put a trend line here, it will fit, you understand? And if we were to put another one here, guys, there's someone's dog who's barking. Can you please mute your mic? Joseph. Okay, guys, allow me to remove Joseph, right?
Sorry, please. Apologies, please.
But then I was talking, you were just quiet. Nah,
Sorry, I didn't know.
Don't waste my
So sorry.
time, man. Oh, please don't waste my time.
Sorry,
Respect
sorry.
my time. It's okay, guys. As from the weekly, I'm gonna go to the daily. So this is the daily, guys, and this is how things are going on the daily on Euro GBP. So when the situation is like this, there isn't much to be done on this time frame. You understand? There isn't much to be done in this time frame. And then now we're gonna be moving to what? 4 hour. You'll see when you get to the 4 hour, price is dropping here, correct? You see how price is dropping. So someone will be asking, where do I take my profit? I feel like you can see where you will take your profit, because this thing, it went down with an impulse. This was a what? This was a correction, which was a dope correction. Price was giving you entries. So sometimes it even depends what type of trader are you. Are you the reduced risk entry trader? Are you the risk entry trader? So I was gonna take the position here, but some of my students don't take it here. So with this one, guys, it was a simple. Guys, I'm signing out. Like, you guys are just making noise. I feel like we'll meet on the next session if possible. And all the best, guys. Just keep winning.
But like, Manando, can you please, why can't you like remove the people that are making noise and then allow
The
the
thing
session to
is,
continue?
like, there are 72 people here, and I'm just doing a favor to the people, you know. And then when they make noise, I can't be removing